Welcome to Tridenlogy, the channel that's all about fascinating facts and discoveries.
In this episode, we're delving into an intriguing and often debated topic: the things men notice first in a woman. From physical attributes to personality traits, we'll explore what catches a man's attention and leaves a lasting impression. This video will uncover the aspects that tend to stand out to men when they meet someone new. From a captivating smile and confident body language to a sense of style and engaging conversation, we'll explore the elements that can make a memorable first impression. Whether you're curious about what grabs a man's attention or you simply want to understand the initial factors that can pique interest, this video is for you. 1. Your smile. A woman's mouth is frequently the first thing a man notices about her. Not only are fantastic lips and teeth attractive, but guys will look to your mouth for social signs because it is your most expressive feature. A friendly, inviting smile can say, "Here I am, come talk to me." You can try, a sneaky, enticing smirk might say, but you'll have to work for it. A scowl may convey the message, "Turn around and go back to your mother's basement," or "I have spinach in my teeth." 2. Your laugh. If a guy is playing, he'll quickly try to turn a smile into a chuckle. A pretty lady's giggle is one of the most beautiful noises a single guy can hear because it lets him know that his charms are working. The laugh itself will help him decide whether or not to ask the girl out. A sweet, seductive giggle may be music to his ears, but a deep, raspy chortle may be too reminiscent of his Uncle Morty to proceed. 3. Your sense of humor. Any guy would love to make you laugh, but your ability to do the same for him is a tremendous turn-on that he'll notice right away. Your brand can be as dry and subtle as Rebel Wilson's or as broad and goofy as Amy Poehler's, but anything that makes him laugh will get you significant points in his book. Just be careful reenacting your Will Ferrell Frank the Tank line from Old School. He'll notice you chugging beer and yelling, "It's so good once it hits your lips," and it won't be in a good way. 4. Your eyes. Though a less discreet guy may be caught stealing a peek at other attributes, your eyes are what a guy should be looking at during conversation. However, any experienced male will want to look into your eyes for reasons other than their stunning aesthetic features. As cliché as it may sound, the eyes are the window to the soul. Eye contact can send and receive a lot of information, and any guy attempting to get to know you will use it to flirt and read signals. 5. Your voice. While your voice may not be the first thing he mentions to his friends, "I'm telling you, bro, this chick's vocal cords were bangin'." A guy will be aware of the sound of your voice, especially if that voice is particularly seductive or obnoxious. Your voice has the power to instantly alter someone's perception of you, for better or for worse. I'm not advocating you change your tone on purpose, but you might think twice before starting with your famous Gilbert Gottfried impression. 6. Your friends. You spend so much time with some of your friends that you are bound to share many traits and qualities. Guys are aware of this and will likely judge you based on the company you keep. If there is a member of your crew with whom you have never gotten along, try to avoid her on singles night. The last thing you want is Khloe Kardashian Jr. complaining to your new possible suitor about her lifetime struggle to find a handbag blingy enough to appropriately accent her natural swag. 7. Your body type. Nobody wants to accept it, yet your physical appearance is as much a part of you as any other physical attribute. For many men, a woman's weight is a more superficial characteristic that matters less than other considerations when choosing a mate. However, some guys seek out the olive oil type, but others want to date a woman with curves. He's interested in you if he's hitting on you. 8. Your smell. Your perfume is generally the one aspect of you that a guy remembers most clearly long after you've parted ways. It can linger on clothes, hands, or linens, reminding the male of the beautiful woman he's just met. Always use soaps or perfumes that you prefer, but not necessarily those that would be worn by an elderly lady who collects antiques and lives in an attic with 14 cats. 9. Your 6-inch heels. With the exceptions of foot fetishists and women's shoe designers, in the latter case, are you sure he's romantically interested? The vast majority of guys you'll date have little to no taste in female footwear. Unfortunately, boys notice shoes that are obviously uncomfortable, or if you appear uncomfortable in them. Fortunately, you have a slew of other assets to work with that he'll notice long before he looks down at your feet, so wear whatever makes you feel comfortable. 10. Your personal style. While men may not know who designed your clothing or how to pronounce Louboutin, they believe they are perfectly competent at observing and evaluating a woman's own style. Are you a hipster like Hannah, Jessa the free spirit, Marnie's fashion sense, or are you an outright shosh? While you may not relate with any of the characters in Girls, the average guy will undoubtedly, at least subconsciously, label your style the moment he meets you. Hopefully, he's developed enough to recognize that you're more than what you wear, but your style will undoubtedly influence his first impression. 11. Your boobs. Your breasts will be observed by any warm-blooded male who sees you for the first time, unless they're veiled and shrouded like King Tutankhamun. Men, like pigs foraging for truffles, are simply biologically programmed to seek them out. It is absolutely up to you whether you exhibit your boobs proudly like trophies or secure them conservatively to maintain some air of mystery. But you must be aware that guys are staring, evaluating, and talking. 12. Your butt. When you leave, that guy will almost likely, hopefully discreetly, notice your booty. The majority of men are either breast or butt experts, claiming dominance over one body area over the other. Identifying an individual who witnesses neither would be similar to discovering and proving the existence of the Loch Ness Monster. 13. Your confidence. Most essential to a guy meeting you for the first time is the enthusiasm you emit. Nothing attracts a guy more than confidence. A guy will notice you right away if you can conduct yourself assertively and have a strong sense of self, regardless of your other features. Now that's universally appealing. Remember, attraction is a complex interplay of various factors, and what catches one person's attention may differ from another's. The key is to embrace and showcase your authentic self, as confidence and genuine connection are often the most captivating qualities.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content on personal development and self-improvement. See you in next video.